hybrid means that you're not quite there. It means that you're a bit of both worlds, and I think it's a cautious approach to how people have been very set in certain ways. So whether that was on premise sort of thinking that data has to be within our walls and looked after, and I don't want to store it in the cloud because I'm a bit suspicious of it, or it could be hybrid in terms of the way that the ERP is implemented. So whether it has a web screen that has a private server in the background. I think the journey for each business is different, and a lot of the cases the decision is not so easy just to go directly to cloud. There's a cost that needs to be taken into each business as a case. When those are moving from their own private server, there generally is a cost savings. But for certain businesses, when the volumes of data and the data in the cloud gets to such a level, a private cloud actually becomes cheaper in the long term because of the massive amounts of data that's being stored. So I don't think there's any sort of one route for any business, and it's actually great that there are opportunities. But if we look holistically at where the market is and what software is generally going towards, it is open platforms with APIs that can connect to multiple systems. Sage Intacct being a case in point that would allow connection to your CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot, or to your e-commerce site, or to your manufacturing systems. And each of those systems are cloud-based with open APIs. And it's around the connectivity of all those systems together to make a hybrid ERP is in the cloud is kind of what most of the customers are looking for at the moment.